doors have been retrofitted from the right-hand side to the left-hand side, which means the students will board the buses from the sidewalks and not from the road.
So Mr. Vaz had a few options on his hands. A. Use rum, wash the bus. B. Pray over the bus. Can anyone guess which one he did? Take a guess. Time up. But yeah, him chose to wash the bus with rum. Yeah. It's not something I've never seen before. I know it's something that is done, but I wasn't expecting I would see it from a political standpoint. I wasn't expecting a elected official of Jamaica would be doing this instead of praying over the buses. But am I surprised? No. I've learned to not expect anything from these politicians, and I'm not sure if that's a good or bad thing. It's a bad thing. But nonetheless, hey, one good thing though, he finally said that the buses have officially been retrofitted so that the doors can be on the correct side. So that's a good thing, right? Yeah, well, what are your thoughts? Ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. I would like to hear from you.